Well, hello everybody, hello Jaime, thank you for your questions. Let's begin. I am David Ospina and I'm going to answer your questions. And the first question is, why are not you going to study security? What do you mean with security? With security I mean all fields related with security forces, such as army and police. I don't feel comfortable doing this kind of things, and moreover in my country it's very dangerous to do that, to work in that job. The second question is, you will have the chance to choose any university in the world. Which one will you choose to study? Mechanical engineering? And where will you start to study? Okay, I will study at Harvard University in the United States. I will start to study within 5 years. Third question. Okay. You will the chance to choose any place in the world to live in. Where will it be? And when will you go there? Okay, I will choose Australia to live in. It will be in around 10 years. Fourth question. You will have to move to Venezuela. Will you feel bad? What will you do to change things there? I will feel bad living in Venezuela because the situation over there is really terrible in all aspects, economical, social, and so on. I will travel to another country. And now we go with the fifth question. Are you going to practice cycling at the mountains and forests, or do you prefer to practice cycling at town? Can you tell me about what do you want to practice cycling? I'm going to practice cycling at the mountains and forests because it's more inspiring to me. I prefer it than cycling at town, because at town there is a lot of pollution and traffic. I want to practice cycling because it makes me feel very happy and makes me a healthier person. Lets me be a healthier person. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.